Yeah, and it helped. And it worked. Remind me to never eat sweets again. Because we ain't got time, clearly. Yeah, see? Ha. Blemishes do we have today? Oh my gosh. Good morning, SPF kids. Today is Monday, February 1st. I had another video planned. I don't know, I haven't been happy with what I've been filming lately. I filmed a video on Friday. It was a makeup and mom talk. And then I looked back at the footage. I just wasn't feeling it, I don't know. The makeup was okay, but the lip that I had on was wonky. I was in different lighting so many different times. I was sitting on the floor. That video was a mess. So I deleted all of the footage, and then I thought, oh, okay, I could actually film a day in the life because my days look different now. And not just with baby, but I am helping my nephew with his distance learning. You know, schools are back open now, partially, I think. And I say partially because parents now have the choice to either send their kids back physically to school or they can continue to be virtual. And my sister chose to keep her two older kids still virtual. So I'm helping my oldest nephew. He's in Kulakai Puni, Hawaiian language immersion. So that's what I thought I'd film today. So I wasn't happy with the makeup and mom talk that I did. So hopefully this goes well. Hopefully my battery lasts long enough for me to do so. But this is the start to the day. I know I was actually I didn't even get any sleep at all. I didn't even sleep. I slept for maybe like 45 minutes. And then baby cried at 4 o'clock and I was already up, so I fed her. And then she went back to sleep. She's still sleeping, praise God. So I'm trying to just get my life together and hurry up. Put my SPF on, change my clothes. Because he usually brings him around this time, my sister. She usually brings him around 7:30. He has to check into class at 8:15. Hope y'all enjoy and stick around. Oh my gosh. Oreo M&M McFlurry. Half a bag of Chips Ahoy cookies. Need I say more? Vaseline for the lips. Good old Vaseline. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Maybe I'll just wear this green dress. Easy, simple, and comfy. You just made that one? That one's gotta get, yeah. Bye. Bye. Like, what am I supposed to do with this? I haven't had this many pimples on my face since... Well, there you go. I don't even know. Before I had Havilah, so I'm just like, I don't know. Pimple patches? Oh, I have pimple patches. I have sunscreen on, so I don't know how they wear on top of sunscreen. Clearasil pimple patches. Oh, cool. How you doing down there? In a little circle. And then you just pop them on. That pimple has to be right in the middle of my smile line. So no smiling today. Oh my god. I did not miss this at all. Oh my god, I'm tearing. Remind me to never eat sweets again. There we go. Perfect. You know, I think the thing with my camera battery is, I think I have it wrong because I'm thinking, okay, if I turn it off, then it'll preserve the battery more. No, I think it's taking a lot more battery to turn it back on than it is turning it off. So I'm just gonna keep it running until I'm completely done with what I have to do here, and then I'll move on downstairs. Okay, so I'm gonna put on a little bit of makeup. Make sure all of that sunscreen is blended. This is not a makeup tutorial. I'm just talking to you guys because I have time. Not really. I need to hurry the heck up. So this will be the second week I'm helping my nephew with distance learning. I initially started with him about halfway through the school year starting last year, and I did it for a couple months until November, December when we were moving into the house. So I want to say I started in like September, August to November. And I enjoy it. My sister has a lot of babies. My sister's also trying to run a company. So this way it'll really help her run the business and focus on running the business. Oh, I'm going over my pimple patch with concealer. Oh god. It's gonna be a nut job of a makeup tutorial. Alright, so baby is up. Anyway, yeah, so this will really help her focus on the business and get done what she has to get done. So she brings my nephew here. When I first started out, we were doing it at her house, but she got two little babies who are very active. It's just easier to do it here because he's away from that, and plus two, I have babies, so it's a nice, you know. So it was just easier to do it here for me, of course, because I have baby, but then also good for him because he's away from all the distractions and stuff. Yeah, so you're gonna see everything. How I work with Kohu, and then juggling Havilah, and trying to cook and do all the mom things and on the K things and everything. It's a new experience. It's a different experience. This is only my second week with Koho, but I kind of am used to the routine of his school because we've done it before. So I kind of get a feel of what to do. But my grandma is also staying with us, so to kind of catch you guys up, my grandma's been staying with us for the past couple of weeks. So she's just here hanging out during the day. We try to do our little adventures. If you follow me on Instagram, I encourage you to follow me on Instagram. 2 Saturdays in a row so far, we've been going on kind of holo holo or huaka'i adventures. We get out of the house, we get her out of the house, and try to go somewhere, find some place to eat, enjoy God, enjoy life, enjoy each other. The first Saturday we went to Haleiwa and we had Giovanni shrimp. And then this past Saturday we went to Punalu'u, got kenekes, Hawaiian food. And then we also went to go see the park that my grandpa used to work at on Ka'aba side. But it's fun. It was good fun. I'm already losing battery. Surprise, surprise. Pretty much just a little update. She's staying in our downstairs bedroom. And it's good because the guest bathroom is right there for her to use. The living room right there, the kitchen right there. So 7-Eleven. Look at the pimple patches. Oh my gosh, they're a mess. Did I tell y'all that I ripped out like 3/4 of my lashes on my left eye? Absolute stupidry. And you can tell because there's a big gap right there. Jeez, Lord. Jeez. Can you see? Oh my gosh. Yeah, so after this, I don't usually put makeup on an everyday basis. I just felt like for this video, I need to. Just to look a little put together. Baby doesn't usually get up around this time. Usually it's like 7:30, 8 o'clock, but it's 7 o'clock type of wake up day, isn't it, darling? Yeah, yeah, exactly. So I'm gonna finish this and then I'm gonna grab her, change her diaper, change her clothes. Did want to take a couple of Instagram pics today of her, just right here on the bed in her Valentine's Day get up, but we'll see how far I get. I'm gonna run, I just have no time putting on an eyebrow right now with an eyebrow pencil, so I'm gonna run a little bit of this L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes Mascara through my brow just to give it a little bit of color. This is an old, probably should throw it out mascara, but I just wanted to give the brow a little bit of color without having to put in the major work of filling it in, because we ain't got time, clearly. Yeah, see? Ha. I don't know what to do with the hair, you guys. Look at these pimple patches. Oh my goodness. They're just not the business right now, so I am going to, ow! Take them off. That's not noticeable at all. Let them be and let them live. Say hello to the people. Which is another reason why I don't like wearing makeup, because I can't do much of that because everything will just get on her and I don't want that. Alright, so I think I'm gonna put her in this outfit and this headband from Target. Whew, I tell you, every day is different, you know, you just never know what you're gonna get. Okay, I'm just kind of hurrying up now because it is 7:30. I'm just gonna fix the bed, talk to the people. ¿Qué combinando? No, you want to put it now? Over it? Huh? I'm gonna take some pictures of her in her Valentine's get up. I wanna post. What? Hi. Oh, she's just having it today. So I guess I'll just leave you guys here so you can watch how I do that. This is what I use. This is basically my backdrop, our bed. This big old duvet that I use, I put it right in the middle. There she is, easy. Pray that she cooperates. I'll just leave you here and you can see. Oh my goodness. I mean, the headband, guys. The headband. Ah. I got it. Okay. We're done. We're gonna switch into a tank top because this is Hawaii day, honey. We're not in winter. I think to put her in a jumpsuit at night, you know, it might be a little bit too cold. But even then, girl, she slept in a diaper last night, okay? And she slept almost 10 hours. Havilah. Yeah, don't get it twisted. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Baby cries. Yep, look, and my battery's down on this last leg. I want to try and, so I'm gonna have to plug her in and then try to get her to full battery and see where I can pick back up. Happy 1st of February. Oh, it is. It is. February. Yeah, crazy, huh? So So you remember who's coming again today, yeah?
Who?
Oh, I tutor him.
Oh. So what time?
Should be showing. Yeah, he should be showing up anytime now.
We'll see.
Right? I think so. Did you take your pill?
No, not yet.
Take it so we can have coffee. One of these. I usually like to give her one of these in the morning. iPhone footage. Hello. Just made baby a snack and all of this is happening. I don't know. I don't think she was quite ready to get up yet. That's why she's so fussy. Wipe this up right quick. Quick. Wipe this up right. Wipe this up right quick. You don't want these? These are good. She doesn't even eat. Oh, she does eat them. I think it's more for entertainment than anything. Coffee time. Let me show you guys his station. So this is where he sits. That's his computer. That over there is his little tray. This is stuff that he uses on a daily basis. Pencils, erasers, pencil sharpeners, sticky notes. I was using a speaker to connect to his laptop so that the audio is a little louder, but it's been pretty okay just by itself. And then his pens and crayons and glue. That is the bin with all of his paperwork. So he checks in at 8:15. So he usually comes around this time. Get him checked in, and then he pretty much does the class on his own. I mean, I sit next to him throughout the day to kind of help guide him because it's all maka'olelo Hawaii, of course. But for the most part, he gets it because it's pretty, you know, routine, right? Today is a Monday, so I don't know if he has like a full day's worth of class or if it's just a check-in. I gotta go check his papa manawa, which I have to do ASAP. I usually like to have all these dishes put away and stuff so that I don't have to worry about it throughout the day. And do it in the morning so that it's pow and done with. I have to open the garage.
Bye, Mom.
There he is on his scooter. Ta-ta! So come to find out, he doesn't even actually have school. He has the day off. He's gonna have the next 3 Mondays off. I kind of have to make up work for him to do today, which is fine. Let him ride his scooter for a little bit, and then we're gonna komo'i loko. We'll see what we do from there. Ainava Kian goes over there by the paper towel. That's where I want it every day. This is basically what his papa manava looks like. So I'm gonna have you read Kapulele Hua. So we're gonna do the Puke Helu Helu maybe 2 times. We can do Puke Ho'olala. Finish your yogurt, put it away, and then jump on iXL and make it start iXL. The hatch baby is on, and it's time for him. So we'll see. So this is kind of like the point in the game where I don't know what to do with her because it's about the time for her nap. Crying. I usually try to leave her, you know, to try and self-soothe herself to sleep because this is around the time she starts to nahel. But this is when she starts to fight and she doesn't want to go to sleep. I won't leave her like this for a long period of time, but I know that she can self-soothe. She has her passy in there. There's a lot of times where I just leave her for a couple minutes and she's down. She's out. It is 12:52 and school is officially done. Well, it usually finishes at 1, but he did a lot of work that's not even really required. But we did it anyway because there was no school today, so now we're enjoying a game of...
It's called sorry.
It's called sorry.
So you gotta say sorry.
This is like our favorite pastime, playing board games. The game we usually play is Monopoly, but it's like it's not long. It's just if baby gets up, it's gonna be impossible to play because with the money and the houses, cash, and moving the pieces around the board, it's like, you know, it's not as complicated if we were to play sorry.
Had you bring me?
sleep.
Yes.
So I think with baby, the last place we stopped was, the last place we left off was I was in bed with her, putting her to sleep, and she's still asleep. She got up for like a couple minutes, and then I went upstairs and soothed her, and she's been down since then. And that was about 45 to an hour ago. I won't be surprised if she gets up soon because it's been almost 3 hours. So good nap day. I think I mentioned before that she just looked extra tired today, which is crazy because she went to sleep pretty early well, actually no. I don't want to say we trained her, but the couple of nights that we've been having her go to sleep between 7 and 7:30, she's been sticking to that routine. So last night she actually went to bed between 8 and 9. And I don't know if that's what set her back, but she just looked really sleepy this morning. When she was crying, you know, I got her up and then I put her in her playpen, but she was still kind of like dozing off and not really there. And then when we came downstairs, oh, are you here?
Yeah.
Great. Now I'm there.
Hi.
And then when we came downstairs, she just didn't want to eat at first. Eventually, she did eat, and then I fed her a little bit of sweet potato, but then she got to sleep. She went to sleep. But yeah, so it is 1 o'clock officially, and now we just hang out and play a board game. We'll probably go outside one more time.
Ouch.
Was that her?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go upstairs. Oh my gosh. Hi, the baby. Oh, you were really spinning up, huh? You were really spinning up. Hi. Okay, let's go up kaya and then we can iho ilalo. Yeah? Yeah? Little mana lima. Guys, we do not have a bed frame and it's killing me. Okay, well, it's not killing me. It's just not ideal. Not having one. You don't know what it's like to be without something until you're without it. Don't touch my screen. You're gonna get dirty already. Okay, let's go downstairs.
When you feeling bad, I usually pray.
That's right.
That's what I do too.
That's right.
Yeah, and it helps. And it works.
It's
It
the
works.
best.
It relieves you.
I thought Jesus wasn't real, but then I prayed. And then when my toaster was broken, and then I prayed, and then the toaster got fixed.
It got fixed?
Yeah.
Why? How did it get fixed?
Because of Jesus, I prayed.
There you go.
So now I know that Jesus is real now.
There you go. See, he cares about even stuff like that, you know, broken toasters.
I want to stay.
You have your laptop over here.
Wait for me!
All right. Kahu is left for the day, and that's it. That's just about it. My whole day. I mean, it's after, what is it, after 4 now? Yeah, either my mom or his dad picks him up. And usually around this time too, Miss Stang over here is napping, but I don't know what's up. So we'll see if she does go down. That's pretty much what we do Monday through Friday. Help tutor him, and you know, he does his thing. Usually we take 2 breaks outside, and that's pretty much the routine. So I think that'll be the end of the video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed. I know this video was kind of all over the place, but I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a like, a comment, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. We're almost to 200 subscribers. Big milestone. I'm looking forward to hitting that before the end of the month. I'm believing it. Oh, look who it is. I'm gonna end it right here. All right, guys, love you the most. Pray for us because we're still, you know, working out the kinks between helping my nephew, baby, recording a video, taking photos, feed planning, all the stuff. Pray for me. Love y'all very much. We'll see you soon.